Hello, I'm Alex, and today I'll be showing you how easy it is to install a shower rail. It sounds complicated, but it isn't. An important note before we get started, the glue is not included with the product. You'll need this glue kit if your product has no mounting plates. If the mounting plates are already included in the package, you only need this glue twice. The packaging includes all the parts you need to install the product. We won't need the screws today. It always helps to take a look at the enclosed installation manual, but you can watch the installation video instead. To attach your new shower rail to the wall, all you need is a spirit level, a pen, and a screwdriver. So, let's get started. First, insert the screw in the holder. Then put the mounting plate on the holder and affix it with the screw. This is done twice. Then audibly click the first holder on the shower rail. Push the shower bracket over the shower rail. Make sure that the larger of the two openings for the hand shower is facing upwards. Then click in the second holder. Now to the chrome trims. Simply slide these over the plastic holders from the front. Perfect! Before continuing, you should cover your shower floor to protect it from getting damaged. Once you've decided where to install the rail, draw a long vertical line on the wall. Then hold the shower rail, centered over the line, and draw a horizontal line under each of the holders. Check your lines with the spirit level and then mark them. Now you need the self-adhesive angles. Note the form of the mounting plates. Pull off the foil and affix them on the lines. Before you attach the shower rail, clean the surface that will be glued with the cleaning wipe. Now remove the foil from the holder, open the glue tube and apply one tube per holder. When mounting the shower rail, make sure that the larger of the two openings for the hand shower is facing upwards. Now attach the shower rails to the wall using the angles. Allow the glue to set over 24 hours. Done! That was easy, wasn't it? If necessary, the mounting plates can be easily removed again. This is done by loosening the mounting plate with a scraper or pliers, and then cleaning the glued area. And that's it!